Cut the bottom off a plastic bottle, stick a fork in it, and now you have a mini shield for splattering hot oil. Flatten meat in a Ziploc bag, press in some dandelions with chopsticks, freeze that meat, and break off exactly what portions you need. When pouring milk, rest a spoon on the cup to stop the drippy droppings. You can reseal open bags by folding the edge and heating it with a lighter for a Big Daddy DIY heat seal. If your toilet seat keeps wobbling like it's in a dance battle, just press these two buttons to pop it off, tighten the screws underneath, and snap it right back on. If your shower head is leaking, don't call a sweaty plumber just yet. Just detach the head, pull out the gasket, snip off the leaky or damaged part of the hose, and then reconnect it. Your shower leak is now fixed. If a key breaks off in the lock, heat a pen tube and use it to rescue your key up out of that hole. If you have a broken bike spoke, bend the wire with pliers, zip tie it in place, and ride your slick little tail right off into the sweet sunset like nothing happened. If your pot keeps boiling over, just lay 2 chopsticks across the top for an instant bubble barrier to prevent boiling over. To peel shrimp fast, slide one of Granny's forks under the shell and just pull away with less mess. Pour hot water over fish skin and it peels right off like a sticker. Shove a chopstick in the yam before peeling to avoid itchy hands. Need to cut something in a tight spot? Heat up a paper clip and make your own micro saber. Just aim carefully. Wrap minced meat in plastic, press it with a spatula, and suddenly you've got a homemade sausage with no casing required. Cover a can lid with plastic wrap and voila! A perfectly shaped burger molded mess-free. Cross 2 of Auntie Shirley's hangers to keep clothes from falling in the wind. Pop open a pull-tab can with a spoon if your fingers tap out. Twist a plastic bag into a figure 8 so you can carry those lazy people's drinks without spills. And if you're struggling with a bracelet clasp, grab a bobby pin, loop it through and hook it on yourself with no help.